This week I got my 5th Pause by Mind box. As we know, the sticker on the back is a hint to what's inside. This month it says COL, so I'm thinking collage? Let's see what we get inside and if my guess is right. So this card reveals the theme for the box is colouring. Inside the tissue paper, we find 3 colouring pencils, red, blue and green. A quote card from David Hockney, on the back of which it explains how colouring is no longer just for kids. I actually agree and have already done a video on an adult colouring book, which I'll link here. Next we have 4 small colouring pages. They seem mostly floral based, with one featuring a bird and another one under the sea themed. And finally we get to this small card encouraging us to learn something new. Now, I would be surprised if colouring is new to anyone, so it seems a little odd to include in this box. So with the limited colours, I thought this floral page would work best. I did do a few swatches on the edge of the paper to test how they blend, but I don't think the blends look very good, so I'm sticking to the 3 basic colours. For those that don't know, Pause is a monthly subscription box. If you donate £8 a month to the mental health charity Mind, you get these boxes directly to your door. They're designed to have mental health and relaxation in mind, and you only get a box for the first 12 months, so I'm almost halfway through. I decided to try and use different tones of the colour to achieve a sort of stained glass look. I tried not to let the same tone touch, but it was pretty limiting with 3 colours. The pencils themselves seem pretty good quality, but I think a few more would have made this box feel better value for money. Maybe even a pencil sharpener or eraser could have been included. As always, I don't expect this box to be worth a lot because its main aim is to raise money for charity. I do feel like including a card saying to learn a new skill with an activity that everyone would have done before is a little bit odd. And a few more pencils or a better variety of colouring pages wouldn't add much to the cost, but would make it feel like better value for money. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I do think that Mind is a great charity to support, and this box is just a little extra. So I'm looking forward to seeing what I get next month. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it.